Pandas, pandas, pandas. Come on, right, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Ooh, what a wild start we have. Is buy here? I didn't like that bear bar. Just touched the previous week's close. Good morning, everybody. We do have news at 10. Pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. $2,000 in Atlanta. Drop those GMs in the chat. Basking on bar. Second entry long. Could be finding some reason to go long here. Fill the gap on the 5-minute chart over here. Right, the 5-minute. There's a huge gap from yesterday, and it's making a beeline to fill it, looks like. We'll see though. Okay. H4, we could try. Bad signal bar. Just going in with one contract. Let's see. Could be a good risk reward here. Another doji bar. Yikes. Ooh, it's not good. Okay. Bad entry. It's moving quite erratically at the moment. I mean, it could be a good risk reward here. Let's see. Strong, solid bull bar here. Couldn't double my entry, but comes retraces back to my break even. I'll go in long again. It gives me a higher low. Because now we're getting pushed towards the direction we want it to go. And staying above the 20 MA here. Okay, here we are. I would hate to have to come out break even here, especially if we're in a good position. I'd hate to have to come out break even here, but I mean, the stop loss is way over here. Ooh, there we go. Give me a nice push up here. I would love to see it. We're going to go with another entry if we can. The retracements are too crazy. The retracements are actually too crazy right now. Retracements are a little bit too crazy right now. Retracements are a little bit loco. Retracement is very choppy, actually. I mean, I'll try again here. It's taking me break. It took out my break even. It's super choppy on the way up. This is not. It's not what I want, but it's okay. It's not really what I'm looking for in terms of movement, but it will suffice. Decent probability, good risk reward here. Every time I add my positions, it's not really like going. It's not really like lifting off here. Keeps taking me out break even, pandas. It keeps taking me out break even, and eventually it hits my target. It took me out break even like 4,000 times. It's so choppy, pandas. Like, it's actually so incredibly choppy, super frustrating. It kept taking me out. I kept adding onto my position, but kept taking me out break even. It's actually insane right now. What in the world? I mean, this is why I come out break even, because of this disgusting price action I'm witnessing right now. Absolutely just vile. And if it keeps taking out break even, something's wrong, right? It should have broken out. So instead of losing thousands, I've lost nothing. Instead of losing thousands, I lost nothing there. That's annoying. So frustrating. So actually frustrating, pandas. It can't even fill the gap. It doesn't fill the gap. Yeah, it's all good. I'll show you how close it was to filling the gap. Right, here's previous week's close, and here's a gap here with the most massive bull bar imaginable. So like I said, like I've always said before, 50% chance reversal here. I'll take a second to short here, why not? All right, we shouldn't react like this. If we're gonna break out, we shouldn't react like this. Fail second entry low, maybe you're only set up now. It keeps going down. First entry here makes a new low. Full blown reversal right off the rip. Like, look how strong this bull bar is. No matter how strong the bull bar is, 50-50 chance reversal. It's just sick. I mean, that's the type of price action we've been having the last couple weeks. Very vile price action, in my opinion. That's vile. We do have news at 10, pandas. So we can chop around till then. I'm not sure how strong the news is going to be, but we do have news. Pandas, how y'all doing? Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Here we go. Okay. Second entry short. Again, absolute vile price action here. Let's see if we can get a continuation to the downside with the morning reversal. Or does it still want to fill the gap above? We'll find out. It needs to be a somewhat decent signal bar for me. Ooh, give me bearish, bullish signal bar. I don't like it. I don't love it. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to reverse again. This signal bar was everything you needed to see. It's a terrible signal bar. We're still in this trade, but it doesn't look good for me. Somehow, miraculously still in this trade. Doesn't look good for me still. Somehow, okay. I mean, terrible price action here. It's the first, second entry. Get a reversal. I would have been more inclined to take that reversal if we actually bounced off the bottom of this trading range, but we didn't get there. We get close, but we didn't get there. That's a good signal bar to go short right there. Bounce at the top of the trading range as well. I'll set my pause here. I'm just a little bit confused. I'm gonna let this work itself out. That's disgusting. Like all of this. Good signal bar, big push down. Now I got two bear bars in a row. Probably get scalp out with just a short right here. People selling the top of this limit order. Okay, first entry here. We're going to see if we can just get a new low here. It doesn't even trigger. It gives me a micro double bottom instead. It's interesting. It's just confusing, pandas. Scruffy, good morning. Luis, good morning. Tate, good morning. Substance, good morning. Kringle, good morning. Any direction? I mean, I want to fill the gap above. But after that, it's really it's free game after that. Okay. Bear bar ending on its low. Good signal bar to go short in this first entry. It makes a new low, which I was waiting for. I was waiting for that new low. I tried to get it here, but it wanted to do something stupid, and then it finally gave it to me. It wanted to do something stupid first, and then gave it to me, right? Gave me a trap, and that trap fails. It wanted to do something stupid first. Okay, decent push down. Could try to fill the gap beneath, because there's a gap beneath and a gap above, and we're right in the middle of it, pandas. We're actually right in the middle of it. It's kind of insane. 240 SMA could act as a nice support here. Plus, turn to trading range, and we haven't touched it in a while. Bottom of trading range as well. Right, the trap triggers and reverses immediately. You really don't want to see that. If you went short here, this is not what you want to see. Second, just short here. I could try to build a position here. To go long. Bouncing off 240 SMA again. Makes a new low. Breaks through it. Slices through it like butter. Confusing, pandas. Confusing. Okay, overshoot. Right, undershoot to the overshoot, and now finally breaking through. Looks like. Feels like entry long on the 2500 tick could set itself up for a nice opportunity here to go short, fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. It's just a channel now. That's all I see. Very choppy though. News at 10. I believe the news is at 10, yes. Yeah, definitely at 10. News at 10. ISM surfaces PMI. In terms of news, it's on the weaker side. Probably not going to move the markets that much. Guess I can just short here, but a lot of overlapping bars. But downtrend. Coming off our trend line. Okay. Okay. Couldn't enter it. Okay, we're in. Could be a decent trade here. Or not. We are waiting to see. We still are waiting to see if this is going to be a decent trade or not. Just waiting. Just waiting. News at 10. Whoa. Whoa. That was weird. I felt like there was news at 9:45, not 10. Still waiting though. If it takes me out break even here, I don't know if I want anything to do with this. It should be pushing down right now. It should have pushed down pretty strong right now. Yeah, it took me out break even. I mean, it should have pushed down strong right there. The fact that it didn't, I don't know if I want anything to do with this anymore. It feels like a failed breakdown. Yeah, I mean, it should have pushed down pandas. Like, it should have, but it did not. It should have pushed down right there, and it just did not do what it was supposed to do. So I don't want any part of it. I don't want any part of it. It should have pushed down. Could be a nice fail second entry short here. Right, that reverse, this failed. This should have pushed down hard, but it did not. So I'm thinking reversal now. Very confusing. News at 10. It's the first break of trend. Jeez, reverses immediately. No question. No hesitation. Just wham. Just go straight for your stop loss. Going towards it again. Triggers it. Feels like I just short. So weird. So weird. Another reversal. Check the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, we've been within the range of the first 5-minute candle. And basically, we had a reversal from the top and a reversal from the bottom. Trading range, pretty much. Ridiculous, if you ask me. But it is what it is, right? That failed. This area where it failed, it should have really dropped. It didn't. And now we're watching this fly. News at 10, pandas. News at 10. Still respecting this trading range. Usually when it has these like overshoots and undershoots, like these strong breakouts that fail, usually that means the trading range just, wow. Hits the top of the trading range and comes right back to the bottom of the trading range. Doesn't quite get there though. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. That's vile. This price action is vile. Absolutely vile. Almost sinful. Straight from Epstein Island. What in the world? What in Epstein Island is this? What is going on? What in the Epstein Island are we seeing here? Okay, second entry long. Wish it touched the bottom of the trading range. I was going to go long there if it touched the bottom of the trading range, but it did not quite get there. Big push up. Really big push up. Top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. What in the world is happening here? We're still in the trading range. News at 10. I guess we're waiting for news to make our move. This gap here could give us some edge. About the bottom here. Doesn't quite get to my my entry. This is my entry again. I almost just want to buy it here. It's going to fill this small gap here. Try to fill that small gap. There's a small gap here. Those gaps shouldn't exist. This teeny gap here. Once we get there. Second attempt up to fill the gap. Yikes. That's weird. Okay. Cool. 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 It fills a gap. I wish it touched my my where I wanted to get filled. I wish it touched it, but it didn't touch my target. I felt like that gap was gonna give us edge. We could have held it to fill that gap. It is what it is, though. Whatever. Yep. It's going up. In the most peculiar fashion, it is going up. Interesting. Looks like I got you long here. Second your long triggers. Could fill the gap here. Do not know. News in about 5 minutes. Second your long fails. Reversing back into our trading range. No surprise there. Absolute no surprise there. Absolutely no surprise there. Waiting for news, really. That's all I'm waiting for at this point. Okay. That's a limit order selling above here. It's an odd one. Truly is an odd one here. Huh. Confusing. It's just really confusing, actually. I guess I'll try here. It's just overlapping bars, but it is a key area, and it's double key areas here. We'll try. Problem is the top of trading range is very choppy, and we're in trading range, so there's a lot of things going against us here. A lot of things going against us here. Too many things going against. Whoa! That's time for things to come. Yuck. I cannot go long on that signal bar. It's too bad. It's too disgusting. Ah, all right. Top of the range, come back to the bottom trading range. Simple as that. It really is that simple, huh, today? Yeah, really is that simple today, huh? All right, news has dropped. Gap still hasn't filled. Gap still hasn't filled here. All right, gap fills. Gap's filled. So frustrating. Very confusing. Actually, gap's still not filled. We'll try with a couple here. Using the momentum to fill that gap. Keep adding to this position here to fill this gap. It looks like we're not going to fill it. I don't know. Tough to say. The price action is pretty horrendous still. Can't get to certain targets. Lots of retracements, and something gonna get busted here, huh? It's gonna give me a big pain here, unfortunately. So dumb. So incredibly stupid. This price action is so bad, pandas. The price action is so incredibly terrible. This price action is so disgusting, pandas. I'll tell you that right now. We're trying double here. Yeah, now it fills. I mean, just had to take me out first. I mean, I don't know, pandas. Like, what am I supposed to do there? Give me another position. It didn't take me out again. What can you do? I try. I mean, we're like, I'm trying to fill the gap here. Whatever. If this gap doesn't fill, it is what it is. Jeez Louise, pandas. What actually is happening here? What is actually happening here, pandas? Like, what? What kind of price action is this? So dumb. This is so stupid, pandas. The gap fill doesn't fill the gap here. I mean, whatever. We're very close to it with the super strong bull bar, but whatever. It's so frustrating now. So frustrating. I might as well just go short. I mean, this is just, it's bonkers. Always a short, super strong reversal here. No entries, no first entries here. Just gotta go short. First spare bar on its close. Pullback. Finally gets a pullback. Nope, doesn't get the pullback. Just retraces a little bit. So dumb. Pandas, what can you do? Pandas is so dumb. I'm looking for full-blown reversal at this point. I mean, we're not gonna fill the gap, so it's all good. So dumb. So dumb. Pandas, you don't understand how dumb this is. I mean, the retracement is so strong. Like, can I just take this first reversal? Nah. I mean, whatever. This reversal is so strong. I mean, look at how strong this move down is. And it's just, why? Why would it need to do this before filling the gap? Who knows? So stupid. So dumb. Oh my gosh. Oh, pandas. That's what it is, right? That's what trading is sometimes. Any updates on Apex? No, not yet. Still waiting. Apex is also, I don't know what they're doing over there anymore. This is really hard to trade. I'm not gonna lie, pandas. Broad strokes. Golly. Second just short here. Whatever. I think I'm pretty much done for today. It's disgusting. Second just short here. Let's try. Creating his own little trading range here. Creating his own little trading range here. That's 6 bars trading range. Breaks out. Okay, now you're gonna fill the gap here. After a nonsense pullback. After like a nonsensical pullback, that's gonna fill the gap now. Just a nonsense pullback here. Why not? Why not? Bull bar ending on high. Probably get bought here. Terrible signal bar. I mean, it doesn't feel like here. I mean, I'm done. These accounts are also done, probably. It needs to push up now. If it doesn't do it now, then I'm done. Show bull bar ending on high. Another bull bar. Retraces, of course. Creates a wick. Bull bar. So dumb. So stupid. So stupid. Doesn't fill the gap still. Actually, so stupid. Still doesn't fill the gap. 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 Miss it by a tick. Virtually a tick. Still doesn't fill the gap, pandas. Like, what am I supposed to do? I gotta hold that target. I gotta hold that target, you know? Still doesn't fill the gap.
Target filled.
Target finally filled.
Target filled.
So freaking stupid, pandas. Oh! So stupid, pandas. Nonsensical pullback. I mean, at least we saved some threshold there. We're about $1,000 threshold now. It's so stupid, pandas. The worst price action ever. Every single day, the worst price action ever. Nonsensical pullback. Let's just pull back like 100 points. Let's pull back 70 points before filling the gap. Sure, why not? Even though we're right next to it, let's pull back 70 some points. And then let's fill it up. Like, what? So stupid. So incredibly dumb. Oh my gosh. What happened to Apex? Apex completely changed all their products. So if you still have like their old stuff, just trade it as it was. But if you bought a eval in the last since Monday, essentially, then you have purchased a new Apex eval and their new products. And the new products are there's pros and cons, but ultimately, I think yeah, there's one thing that for me it really grinds my gears. It grinds my gears, and I'm like literally texting the COO of Apex, asking like, what in the world is going on here? Like, you need to clear some stuff up. So it is what it is. I mean, this day is chopped, pandas. This day is absolutely chopped. Well, we're clearly above the 20 MA, but this day is chopped, pandas. Like, seriously. What in the world? What kind of price action is this? This is the first bar closing outside of the first 5 minute candle. It's the first bar closing outside of it. Big pull. Every pullback is ginormous. Every pullback is so deep, pandas. Like, it's creating broad channels right now. Essentially, this is like broad channel price action. Deep pullbacks, bulls and bears, making bamboo here. Right, these deep pullbacks, disgusting. Very deep pullbacks here. Two strong bear bars ending on their low. Whew, gets folded here. It's a broad channel, so there's a lot of limit orders waiting above here. A lot of limit orders waiting down here. It's a broad channel. Hard for me to trade a breakout at this point. You miss nothing. You miss the worst price action ever. Every single time I'm like trying to add to my positions, it just does this disgusting price action. Add on to my positions, does this is disgusting price action, and just reverses like no other 70 some points. And then when you finally do fill the gap, it's in the most stupidest way. I mean, I have to short here, no? Like, if it comes to here, I'm going to short here. Deep pullback here. What? These pullbacks are so deep. Maybe I'm thinking too large. Just think like this. Yeah, okay. Think how deep these pullbacks are. Right, broad channel. This day is chopped. Very hard to trade this. Like, very hard to like catch this move down, catch this move up. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I think it's a very difficult day today. Lots of back and forth. Broad channel. Right. Strong bear bars. It gets folded. It's hard to buy. It's hard to just buy right here. Right. Strong bull bar on a 5 minute chart, but no follow through. It's a bear bar effect. Lower high here. I might as well go short. The broad channel. Good signal to go short as well. Good signal bar to go short. If I'm going short, I'm just scalping here. Everything is scalping. Disgusting. What am I supposed to do? I don't know. I don't care. I'm just going to short here. If it breaks the previous day's high, I'm going to short. Double bottom here. Maybe reach to the top. Double bottom here. You can make money without limit orders. That's the thing. In this market, you can make money without limit orders, actually. Right? The stop order bears are making money. Stop order bulls are making money. Just look for a reversal somewhere up here. Let's see. I like a little higher than that. I could try. It's just not the prettiest trade. I could try here. It's not the prettiest trade. It's certainly not the prettiest trade here. Small risk, so I can attempt it. Yeah, it's not the prettiest trade. I knew it was gonna. Yeah, that was weird. All right, I stopped out immediately within the same bar. Small risk. Thought potentially this could be the trading range. I'm gonna try to go short again. Try to go short again here. It doesn't actually break the... Stupid. It actually doesn't break the low. I thought it would. We're just gonna try to scalp here. I thought it would break the low, but it didn't. It just stops me out. Cool. I thought it was gonna break the low, but it didn't. It was like literally milliseconds. I couldn't react. I didn't do the next best thing. Gonna go short here again. I just don't think this is gonna break out. I just don't think this is gonna break out. If it does, great, but I just don't think it will. I'm putting money where my mouth is. Let's see. Small risk. Good risk reward here, actually. Decent risk reward. Just for a scalp. And if it breaks up again here, I'm not gonna no longer reverse it. It's my last attempt to reverse. Doesn't look pretty for me. It looks like it wants to push the upside now. Maybe it's a breakout, I don't know. It just feels like broad channel. Alright, sauce me out. It is what it is, whatever. I truly cannot read this market right now. So frustrating. So incredibly frustrating. I mean, it's breaking out. It's a big mama trade. It ends up working out, but big mamas have been so many deep pullbacks here. I didn't think we had it to break out, but it is what it is. First entries keep making new highs. Higher highs, higher lows. At a certain point in time, you just gotta go with the flow, right? At a certain point in time, you just gotta go with the flow. I'm just seeing these deep pullbacks coming out of nowhere. Scares the heck out of me. Oh, golly, pandas! Bull bar, yes. No, it's high, but bull bar. Buy the close. Really breaking out now. Good thing, right? That was my last attempt to reverse it down, and I thought the risk reward was good. Probability was decent. And I was doing the low probability thing right now, breaking out. It is actually doing the low probability thing. And this pullback can be deep. It can come all the way back to the 20 MA. Like, it's been doing that all day. Like, bulls and bears have been making money all the way, all day today. I think they'll continue to make money. But right now, bears are not making money. Every reversal has failed for them to make a scalp. So bears are hurting. OI pattern. Small pullback bull trend, just don't reverse it. You don't go short here in this situation at all. Small pullback bull trend, right? Very tight, can't get in position. Trapped in, trapped out. All right, if you're short, keep trying to short, you're trapped in. If you're trying to get in, you can't get in. So you're trapped out as well. I guess, whatever, first entry. It's just so stupid. It's such a terrible market. A little more pullback than the rest. I don't know what to do here. The market all day has been having these tremendous pullbacks. You got the strong moves, pretty deep pullback, double pullback. Double bottom here ends up breaking out. First entry here. I could wait for a second entry, whatever. Could be my trade. Could be the trade I'm looking for, second entry long. Bull bar ending is high, most likely will make a new high. Will break the count, so no longer second entry is viable. Bull bar ending on its high. Right. Still limit order bears jumping in on this. Absolutely sick. Can't push it down far enough to even make a scalp. Doesn't even make 10 points. Makes a new high. Count's gonna reset here. It hasn't made a new high yet, but it's going to do it. High degree of certainty is gonna make a new high in like 5 seconds. Yep, okay. So the count resets, made a new high. Limit order bear still showing that they're present. Golly. Limit order bears here still trying every single bull bar they've been going short. And this is no different here. The first entry. We have transitioned from a small pullback bull trend to trading range. New high again, right? Limit order bulls are just as strong. New high. Still making new highs. But it's so small, right? Every breakout's very small. Not much I can do here. I'm just watching. You're basically trapped out of this monster move up. It's disgusting. You're trapped out. Low probability trade, but very good risk reward for those who took that breakout. Like when I see this on the 5-minute chart, like if I'm seeing something like this, I'm not thinking this is going to break out soon. I think it's going to continue trading range. Ends up having a strong bull bar. Here at this point, you're thinking breakout. That's why I no longer try to reverse after I saw that strong bull bar. First entry again. There's just no way to trade this. No way to get in here. First entry making new high again. Doesn't touch the 20 MA even. Doesn't even touch the 20 MA. So It is what it is. You're thinking you at least try to balance off the 20 MA. Can't even do that. You're trapped out of this trade. And by the time you go in, it's so late in trend. Like, do you really want to go in now after 9 pushes up without breaking a previous pivot low? Especially after this kind of like strong move to the upside. At late of trend strong move, it's not a good thing. Unstoppable. There's nothing you can do. Just watch. I'll tell you what, I wasn't expecting this. Daily chart. We hit the bottom of the trading range so perfectly, actually. Maybe come back to the top of the trading range. That could be its next target. Hmm. 10 push up. Makes a new high. Outside bar reversal. No follow through yet. No follow through on the outside bar reversal. I mean, do I want a second entry long here? I don't even know. It's so late in trend. So incredibly late in trend. And it's hard to find, double key areas because, I don't know, it has to do something like this. Second entry long here, actually. A, B, C. Floating in midair, though. You're so late in trend, I don't want to take this. Like, whatever. Triggers are triggers. There's nothing I can do here. Maybe make a new high, whatever. Again, just late in trend is what you have to consider. Regardless, makes a new high. I'm just trapped out, pandas. I can't get in here. Every pullback's so small. Like, I don't know. Like, it was having deep pullbacks. Now it's having, like, no pullbacks. Like, one candle pullbacks here. It's a second entry long. It makes a new high. It's 10 points. It feels like the bulls are still scalping here, which is weird. 12th push up. Did they respond to my 6 push payout thing? Nope, not yet. Hopefully they'll respond today. $14 pushes up, very cool. It's just like I'm trapped out. There's nothing I can do here. It has the most amazing move ever. I just was not expecting that. I was really not expecting this kind of move, especially in the outset. You had one of the most disgusting price actions ever, and it turns into this monster breakout. Just was not expecting it. We're finally stopping our count. 14 pushes up. Second entry long maybe come up to 20 minutes. People taking profits at this point. Again, late in trend. I mean, you could try to go long here, but it's just so late in trend. It's so late in trend. I don't know. Whatever. I'll try. That's your signal bar. It's horrendous. People taking profits here. It could be a full-blown reversal. Think about when breakouts are this strong, it could just full-blown reversal without much warning. Can't even get in. Oh, jeez. Couldn't even get in this trade. Like, do I even want to get in this trade now? Now it's reversing back down. Do I even want to get in this trade? What kind of disgusting price action behavior is this? What in Epstein Island is this, pandas? What in the Epstein Island am I looking at right now? What in the Epstein Island is this? What in the Epstein Island? What in the Epstein Island am I looking at? Epstein Island, it's basically like synonymous to the word hell. So what in the Epstein Island? It's basically the same thing, right? Hell on earth. Like to the victims in Epstein Island, it is just, there's no more monstrous thing you could ever experience in this world, I think. What in the Epstein Island are we doing here? Beneath the 20 MA. Bye-bye. What am I supposed to do here? I mean, this could launch. I just, beneath the 20 MA at this point. I don't know. I don't want to, I need to do that. I need a higher low at this point. Sick. I got nothing here. Give me H4, I guess, but not like that. All right, pandas. We're doing it all here. We're putting it all on the line here. H4 setup, let's try. I'm hoping people just buy the first bear bar. This amazing breakout on the 5-minute chart. Ooh, bye-bye. All right, fair enough. What in the Epstein Island are we looking at? Like, this could be a downtrend at this point. I've seen it, pandas. I've seen breakouts this strong just reverse an A top. It's actually an incredible thing to see, but it happens. Yeah, you finally get a pullback, but it's so late in trend. The pullback can be like a reversal at this point. If you don't believe me, just watch. Especially get two bear bars on the 5-minute chart. That will really decide a lot of things for us, I think. If we get 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart, it could be the beginning of a reversal. What's up? What's up, everybody? We're trading TPT accounts right now. I'm trying to get my 20 accounts for Apex into funded accounts, and it's proving to be quite difficult. Actually, it's very frustrating. The price action has been so terrible. Like there just has not been a 29-point move without a 10-point retracement. It's very hard to find these days. Complete chop. Looks like a bear flag. Right, push down, consolidation. It looks like it looks like it wants another push down here. So I'm just waiting. At this point, I don't know if I'm gonna trade anymore, but yeah. Fails like I just short, I'll try. Fails like I just short, I'll try. But this looks like a bear flag right now. It looks like it wants another push down. It's not looking pretty, I'll tell you that much. If anything, maybe I should go short here, but the channel's so narrow. Okay, decent push up. Feels like I just short is what I'm looking for. Now we're above the 20 MA. Feels like I just short is what I'm looking for, if I can get it. Okay. Coming back beneath the 20. Good signal bar to go short actually here. Coming off 2 key areas as well. Alright, I said feels like I just short is what I'm looking for, and I get it in the most disgusting way. We're beneath the 20 MA. Can't take it here. Looking for a new low, in fact. Feels like it's short, hard to take beneath the 20 MA like that. New low. Right, second entry long on the 2500 tick chart. Coming off the 20 MA, perhaps. 5-minute bar creating 2 bear bars could be real bad news for the bulls. Right, 2 key areas. Decent short to take actually. The only point is at that point in time that the channel was so narrow. I didn't really want to try because it just felt weird. The channel's too narrow. Really strong push to the downside. Right, these pullbacks are deep. These like super strong exhaustive breakout moves tend to A-top. Right, they basically just reverse on a dime. These super strong exhaustive breakout moves. Currently downtrend. 2 strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart. Bulls are looking for a double top now. Right? They want to get back to the double top area. Right? This is their target. They want to get back up here for the bulls, in my opinion. I did not. Well, yeah, I did not think this breakout was going to happen, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was like a full-blown reversal. We just come back to where we opened today. I really wouldn't be surprised. This day is ridiculous. Look how strong this move down is. All right. Could look for a bounce somewhere around here. If not, then the 2500 tick chart literally would just slice through the 20 MA like butter. It's basically just as strong as a move up as this move down. So Cool. Okay. Such a strong move down. Getting choppy here. Um, Good as any other, maybe. This overshoot is what's concerning of the second entry long here, because you have overshoot often leads to an undershoot, which is concerning. You're almost better off waiting for a fail second entry long here, but we are off two key areas. If we get a nice signal bar here, it'd be good, decent long trade. But the overshoot is what's concerning me. And this doesn't help either. What in the world am I looking at? What an Epstein Island is this? What an Epstein Island am I looking at? So funny. There's like clips of Bill Clinton looking at photos of the Epstein files, and they're like, he's basically like under oath right now, and he's looking at the pictures. You can just see him like smirking and smiling, and it looks like he's just like, oh, the good old days. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Bill Clinton's old too. At this point, what is he even trying to save? At this point, what is there even to save in terms of your reputation? You lived a good life. Just let it go. A top. So these strong breakouts can lead to A tops like this. Big reversals. Insanely big reversals here. Now we're like in this super disgusting. This just a no trade zone. Almost all day no trade. Even this move up, you couldn't get in. Very difficult to get in anywhere in this move up. In my opinion, at least. Golly. Sorry, what did I do to you? I mean, look at this explosion and just literally A top here. But I'll tell you what, actually, if it creates a second entry long here, it's a little bit better because we had the overshoot. Now the undershoot kind of balancing it out. And we can actually make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear bars in a row as well. Disgusting. 20 EMA pointing to the downside now. Showing how strong this is. How strong this move down is. So going long here, you'll be going actually against the 20 EMA pointing to the downside. It's gonna be a hard mountain to climb to take the second entry long just to break through all this. If anything, the fail second entry long is a better setup at this point. You're beneath the 20 EMA. 20 EMA is pointing to the downside. Just forget this big uptrend. Forget this breakout at this point. Just forget about it. Like, look at what you're seeing right now. Golly. And just like the big move up, there's virtually no way to get in the big move down. No entries. You're trapped in, trapped out again. Epstein. Apex still hasn't responded yet with a 6 payout. If you still have the legacy products, I would say continue to use the legacy ones. The new products, I don't know. It's yet to be seen. I think the best way to voice your opinion is literally everyone needs to message support and ask them, how does that make sense? How does a 6 payout make sense? Max 6 payouts, how does that make sense? All right, Pandas. I mean, go big, go home. Go big, go home. What am I looking at here? Untradeable. Actually, untradeable right now. Still untradeable to me. Eh. Plenty. Untradeable. There it is. Thank you very much. That is what I was looking for. Here's our trade, Pandas. This is it. What we've been waiting for. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Really strong bull bar ending on its high. Interesting. Do I really want to go short here now? Yes, I do. Overshoot to the undershoot. And now I might turn to a trading range. Golly. But these two strong bull bars here concerning me. Hard for me to go short against these two strong bull bars like this. Goodness! I'm confused! I am confused again. Very confused. Doesn't give me my second to short to give me my trap here. Very confusing. So choppy. This is like untradeable to the max. You just don't make money anyway as a bull or bear. You barely make anything. I'm confused. I don't know. These two strong bull bars is not what you want to see. That's a good signal bar to go short, though. I'll tell you that much. It's a really good signal bar goes short, but these two bull bars are concerning me. I don't know. These two bull bars here concerning me. Feels like entry long though. Ay. Tough. Especially when your 500 tick looks like this now. Trading range. Tough. Golly, this is disgusting. That's all I'm looking at right now. This is trading range. Disgusting trading range. Very difficult to trade. Bubs, I'm looking at the new ones. You know what? Honestly, if you can make money, if you can get the payouts, the new ones are fine. They're just fine. Honestly, it's like, I think they're fine. Like, they're not as good as they used to be, but I think they're fine. Oh, golly, pandas, I need to try. Thoughts and prayers here, pandas. Thoughts and prayers here. We're going for it. No, I'm not. This is disgusting. Honestly, I should just stop trading today. This is not tradable. It's trading range. Like, what do you expect? What do you want to do here? Very difficult. Failed trap is the thing that's getting me here. The problem is I had to traverse all this into this nasty price action. Give me a setup on the 500 tick to go long. Maybe I'll consider it. I think it wants another push down, actually. Mainly because the 5 minute, they want to test this area. They actually got close. I don't know. Actually, they did test it. Let's just say they tested the high here. Ooh. Bull bar. Nope. That's not what I want to see. There's a problem with this bull bar. It did not close above this high. There was a problem there, actually. Close beneath it. So the next one, you do get some follow through, but how much more follow through after that? Not sure. So yet to be seen. The bull bar here could be good for the bulls, but perhaps always in long. No, bear bar. Yep, strong bear bar actually. Like I said, there was some issue with that bar. It did not close above this high, this pivot high. Could have a pullback. This is pushing up though. We'll see. I'm thinking maybe deeper pullback, but we'll see. This bull bar is outside bar reversal. Very cool. Disgusting, as always. And we close above the previous candle's high. Okay, could just be blasting off again. 5 minute candles, 5 minute traders. Probably want a double top to get to there at least. Because they're trapped. All right, there are bulls who are trapped here and they bought here. And yeah, try to come up break even on their first trade, profit on their second. That's probably what they're trying to do. I'm down 3K, TPT counts, all good. bear bars, right? It's alternating bear bar, bull bars. Hard to jump in here. Hard to just go in long, in my opinion. Probably want to pull back here. Right? This is not what you see in a typical breakout with bear bars intertwined like that, interlaced. It's usually what you don't see. If we close above this high here, then yeah, it could be still good, but it doesn't look like it. Yeah, we close beneath this high. Again, like, I mean, this can keep going up, but this is showing signs that I do not like. Always in long on 2500 tick chart, perhaps. Okay. Big bull bar here, breaking out to the upside. Again, impossible to jump in here. There's virtually no entries to get into this uptrend. Virtually no entries to get into this uptrend all the way up. That's the kind of day it is, right? There's no entries when you get direction. Look at this big up, big down. Look at this down leg. Look how disgusting it looks. Incredible move. I'm thinking the 5-minute candle, 5-minute traders are looking for a double top here. Right, I didn't like these bear bars interlaced here. I didn't like the fact we couldn't close above this pivot high. But seems like no one else cared. I'm telling you, this doesn't happen very often. When you get a breakout like this and like the strong reversal, you usually get another leg down. This is not, it looks really strange to me actually when I see this. It actually feels really weird. Gives me the ick, if you know what I mean. Gives me the ick. So the market's doing very unpredictable things. Another bear bar interlaced here. I don't like it. What can I say? I just don't like it. Making new highs again. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a deep pullback here, back to the 20 MA of some sort. I just really wouldn't be surprised on a day like tonight. Anything can happen. Always in long on the 5-minute chart, looks like. 5-minute close a strong bull bar. People just buy. The 5-minute, now we're at double top area. We're in double top zone. Could reverse off here. It does make the double top. Bounces like really perfectly off of this. Like imagine if you're a bull and you buy here, and you saw this, and it gives you a chance to come out break even. They'll probably come out break even. But these strong bull bars might mean continuation as well. I don't know. It's crazy. So you got the weak bulls coming out now, taking their profits. Swing traders are just having a good gay old time. Their stop loss is way down here. Just they're happy about whatever happens here. They don't care. Impossible to get in here. I mean, this is big down, big up, super choppy. I just cannot get in. I cannot get in the big down moves, big up moves. I can't get in. There's no entries here. It's just absolutely disgusting. It's actually disgusting here. The new Apex accounts, honestly, at the way they're priced and the amount of money you can potentially withdraw from them, it's obviously a very good deal. It's a very good ROI. Very good ROI still. Just not the, it's not as, I don't know, it's weird. I can't trade. I can't take anything here. Super choppy on the way up. Golly, breaking out. I mean, what am I supposed to do? What am I actually supposed to do here, pandas? Like, where do I buy? Do I feel comfortable buying here? It looks like this. Super strong push to the downside. Get a bull bar. Another strong bull bar. You're getting to the top. Retesting the top. Do I just buy here? Apparently, you just buy right there. All right. It's bear bar. Maybe come back into the trading range. Okay. Reverses back up. Do I just buy here? Oh, another bear bar. No follow through. Okay. Doji bar. What am I supposed to do? Just buy? Apparently, yes. You just buy. And you just buy again right there with this big wick. Now you're approaching this pivot high. What do I do here? Should wait for pullback. Okay, pullback, but not deep enough for me. And it just keeps trickling, grinding up. Like it's just, there's just no place where I felt comfortable just buying. Higher low still. I mean, it's double top area. Looks disgusting to me. It honestly looks really weird. And notice the 5 minute has not touched the 20 EMA yet. It just looks really weird to me, Panos. I don't know. I really don't know how to trade this. It's broad channel still. I drew a broad channel right here, but I think I need to go further back. We're missing something here. We're somehow missing something here. I mean, I guess, pandas. I guess I could have gone and started there. Very tremendous, very terrible price action, in my opinion. I don't want to take a second entry long here when it looks like a trading range. Big up, big down, big up, and very choppy. Like, do I really just want to go long here? Top of a potential trading range? Pain is like, come on. Very difficult to trade this. Ooh, what the? Big push to the downside. Ridiculous. Feels like entry long is my setup here, whatever. If it doesn't give it to me, there's nothing I can do. Just bear bar after bear bar after bear bar. Just, again, just strong, sharp reversal. Can't get in here. I can't get in this reversal. Does not give me a pullback so I can get in. All right, there it is. Here's my trade. My one single trade. I waited forever to get this, and it's gonna stop me out probably. I actually prefer this to come back a little higher. If it triggers beneath the 20 MA, it's still viable for me. As long as it triggers beneath the 20 MA, that's all I want. These bull bars are strong though. Ugh. Can I really go short here? I don't think so, can I? I'll try, whatever. Last trade probably. Yeah, get busted. I knew it. Unfortunate. There's nothing I can do about that. I tried. I was patient too. Waiting for the pullback as well. Just hold. Doji bar. Not really what I want to see. Not really what I want to see. I want to see like a push down. Especially on a trade like this where it should be a strong reversal trade. Okay, that's what I want to see. Give me a bear bar. Give me a bear bar. Give me a bear bar. Give me a bear bar right now. Every freaking trade comes out break even, pandas. I cannot. Why does every trade come out break even, pandas? Why does every single trade come out break even? Even after strong bear bars, why does everything retrace to break even? I cannot like capture like a nice move with some scaling up. I simply cannot. I cannot do it today. So incredibly frustrating. Everything has a pullback. Everything has a retracement back to break even. Even though it's a strong move to the downside, I mean, I could have just held one lot. Just let it ride. But, jeez, pandas. How lucky are you if you're a bull here and you just buy and you always can come out break even? How lucky are you in this situation? How incredibly lucky are you? You see these two massive bear bars, you buy here and you come out break even still. Incredible. Absolutely freaking incredible. It'll probably make a new low. I mean, there's not much you can do about that. I mean, I tried. I really tried, pandas. Again, I'm trying my best. I see these two bear bars ending up near their lows. I'm just like, let's scale up. The moment I scale up, it takes me out break even. I can't. Just can't. Can't take this trade. Nathan says, I feel the same way. Took DLL on my Apex funded because I kept getting stopped break even, then tilted. Yeah, I think the DLL actually is very good. Because think about, you would have busted your accounts. Like, with a high degree of certainty, you would probably bust it. We ended up making that new low, which is what I was aiming for. But kept taking my break even. I just cannot, like, what can you do? I just cannot do anything. I really tried, pandas, but it's so choppy. It's so choppy. Every move is just so incredibly choppy. I can not scale up into this. I tried, pandas. I really tried. I tried to make some good bamboo, but cannot. I simply cannot. Not in markets like this. Difficult for me. Very difficult for me. The DLL actually is pretty nice, right? Apex automatically halts your trading once you hit the DLL, and then you can start again tomorrow. And today, honestly, is not the day to trade. Like, are you really happy about today's price action? Like, what in the world am I looking at? What is all of this slop? What in Epstein's Island am I looking at right now? I'm going to do something wild. Let's just try. No. Another two bear bars on the 5-minute chart. Could get us back to the 20 EMA. Possibly just back to the bottom of the trading range here. Like I said, like I felt like big up, big down, big up. Felt like trading range because when you look at the price action within it, so much chop, not much strength, lots of overlapping bars. Ends up doing exactly what I thought I was going to do. This is why I took this short here. And this is why I thought it would be a really strong move. Ends up being a decently strong move, but with a lot of retracements with inside it. So super hard. I try to scale up into this, but it's just disgusting. Absolutely filthy. Not much I can do about it, Pans. I tried. I really did try. Just not much I can do. It's just not much I can do. I tried. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't try. I tried. I just couldn't. It just would not allow me to have my move without 50,000 retracements. Look at all these retracements within these bars. Goodness gracious, man. So frustrating. It's actually frustrating here. I'm just watching. Nothing here. It's just silly. All right, I'm gonna end the day here. I can't trade this day. I just can't. I mean, obviously, I'm already down 3,000. So, like, well, what is the point of this? What is the point of this? Like, it's just not giving me anything I really want. I was in this trade. I just could not get in. I could not scale up. I tried multiple times to scale up. I just could not do it. I was in this trade right from the beginning. It's disgusting. It's just absolutely disgusting. What can you do? What can you do? So dumb. I was in a good, decent trade as well. Called it from the called the whole thing as well. So as long as it triggers beneath the 20 MA, which it did, I went in and I saw two bear. I waited for two bear bars, in fact, and that's when I decided to scale up. And it took my break even almost perfectly, and then went wham straight to the downside. It's so disgusting. So incredibly disgusting. Oh. Now we're at the bottom of trading range. I gotta look for some sort of reversal here. Could be double top. The 5-minute candles, I think, kind of showed you the intentions of the bulls, right? Like, we basically retested, like, the bulls who buy here, they just came out. They came out. They probably saw this breakout and probably came out break even at this point. Saw the breakout, came out break even. Those who buy here. Thinking perhaps maybe we have a chance to really move. But ultimately come out break even, and actually just all those bulls who are taking the profits are causing this big push to the downside. So freaking frustrating, pandas. I'm going short here. I'm going short. Dumb trade.
Target filled.
Came out break even. Dumb trade. Should have waited for a second. Too short. Back to the 20 May. Second too short. Looking for it. Market. Will it give it to me? Yes. Will it give it to me? Will it give it to me? Yes! Second entry short. This is where we put all our marbles in one single trade pan. Whoa. 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 Super strong bull bar. A little scary to go short here, but we're going to do it anyway. I mean, ooh, I want to fill that gap here. Failed to hit. Failed to fill it. Failed to fill it. Almost don't want to go short until that gap is filled. But this is a good entry, no? Oh my goodness. I gotta try. I think I have to try. Thoughts and prayers. I think I have to try here. I didn't have to try, pandas. I absolutely didn't have to try. I wanted to fill that gap. My accounts are dead. Absolutely crushed here.
Target filled.
I don't like what I see. I don't like what I see. This could push to the downside really strong, but I just don't like what I see. I think this gap wants to fill here before anything. Goodness gracious, pandas. Yeah, that was the trade. That was it. Nice strong push to the downside after a big push to the upside. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do, pandas? And it's outside bar reversal. I don't know if I'll take that trade, to be honest. Bottom trading range. Just wait here. It's going to get choppy. There's a little gap here I thought it would fill, but a little teeny gap here. Gives me my edge, I feel. I feel like we got to, break this low. We're going to test these lows. After we test these lows, then we're probably come back into trading range. That's what I feel like may happen here. The reason why I think we're going to test these lows is because we broke the high here, and I think we're going to break the low now. I just don't know. What do you wait for? Nothing to do here. This is terrible. Really terrible price action here. Wow. Silly. Very silly price action I'm looking at right now. It's disgusting. Like I said, trading range starting to form. Even within down here, now it's a trading range. Very choppy. Come off the 240 SMA perfectly, actually. Almost want to go short up here. Almost want to go short here. I don't know. Well, I guess not. Guess we're not going short up here. Right now, if you enter here, it's the middle of the trading range. Can't take it. Second to short, though. See, if I had that Apex DLL, I would have only be down $1,000 instead of $3,000. See, pandas, that's why the DLL is amazing. Actually, a good thing. Untradeable price action, just watching. I'm gonna push it strong to the downside, strong bear bar ending on its low, but not sure if it means anything. Getting folded. Not sure. Just watching. I mean, technically, I should be going long here, no? I mean, technically, I should be trying going long here. Technically, right? This is a trading range. Terrible risk reward, terrible probability as well. It was a stupid trade. Yeah, the slippage. You gotta love the slippage. I mean, what else? What else do I have? What else do I have at this point here? Could have bought it with a limit order, I guess, at this pivot low. Would have been okay. There's nothing to trade here. Cool. I timed it wrong. I guess I had to wait for one more push to the downside. Could have just bought the bottom's pivot, and now it's coming back to the top of this trading range. I guess I wasn't wrong with this strategy. Just couldn't have a wide enough stop loss, I guess. Is it crazy to say? Is it crazy to think? Going short here. Is it crazy to think we can go short here? Top of this trading range. Is it crazy to think that this could be viable? All right, two closes above this pivot high. We're dead. I should just take the hit. Break this high, just take the hit. Come up, break even if I can. Wait, two closes above here now. I don't want anything to do with this. What do you have to lose at this point? Accounts are gonna get busted here anyways. On my next, like, I would have virtually no like drawdown to work with. I got three closes above. Like, right, having a hard time getting to the previous candle's low. I could have came up break even right there, I guess. If I held my if I held my order, we're dead. Bye bye accounts. Super strong push to the upside. All good. Whatever. Panis. I mean, that's the type of day it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm done with this. Panis, I'll see you guys brighter tomorrow. As always, I'm sure you best. Bye.